Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know what is actually a credit limit on RBC credit card. So in that case, you have to open up a browser. You can use any web browser, whichever is convenient. So type in rbc.worldbank.com/credit cards. That's going to take you to the official page. So in order to understand what is actually a credit limit, you could go to this link, and here you could just press the link that says what is credit limit. So according to RBC, a credit limit is a maximum amount available for you to make purchase and cash advance with your card. You can also find your credit limit on your account statement or under account details in RBC online banking or RBC mobile app. Likewise, in order to make changes with your credit limit, if you have already applied or if you had already had an account, or if you had already had a credit limit, then there are different ways to request to change the credit limit. First thing, you need to log in and select your RBC credit card, the one that you have the credit card limit, and on the right side of the page, you need to select the change credit card limit and follow the instructions. Or you could also contact the customer service team or visit the local branch. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.